Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of ICT Explorers. Today we have a topic that's been shrouded in mystery and intrigue, the dark web. In this video, we're going to demystify it and give you a basic understanding of what the dark web is all about. First, what is the dark web? It's not just a single place but a part of the internet that's intentionally hidden and requires special tools to access. Unlike the surface web, which is what we use every day for things like browsing, shopping, and social media, the dark web operates on encrypted networks that offer anonymity to its users. The dark web consists of several networks, but today, we'll primarily discuss the most well-known one, the Tor network. The Tor network, which stands for the Onion Router, is like the gateway to the dark web. It conceals users' identities by routing their internet traffic through a series of volunteer-run servers, making it incredibly difficult to trace their activities. Websites on the dark web often end with onion and can only be accessed through the Tor browser. Now that we know what the dark web is, let's dive into the reasons why people use it. Privacy is a significant factor. People may use the dark web to protect their identity and personal information from surveillance, especially in countries with strict internet censorship. Whistleblowers and activists often rely on the dark web to share information securely, as it offers a level of protection against government surveillance. Some people simply value the anonymity the dark web provides. It can be used for communication without revealing one's identity. In some regions, information is heavily censored. The dark web can be a way to access information that is otherwise blocked. For some, curiosity leads them to explore the dark web. They find it fascinating to dive into this hidden world, discovering forums and communities discussing various topics and ideas. Now, let's talk about the risks associated with the dark web. Engaging in illegal activities on the dark web can lead to severe consequences, including criminal charges. The dark web is not all dark, but it does have its share of scams and malware. Users can unknowingly expose themselves to harmful software or fall victim to fraudulent schemes. Government agencies and law enforcement actively monitor the dark web for illegal activities. You may think you're anonymous, but there's always a risk of being caught. Not everything on the dark web is illegal or harmful. There are legitimate and ethical purposes for using it, such as protecting free speech and privacy. Now, you might be wondering how to access the dark web. Well, we don't recommend doing so, as it can be legally and ethically risky. However, if you're merely curious, here's a general idea. To access the dark web, you need the Tor browser. It's based on Firefox and is designed to provide anonymity. Remember, the dark web can be a risky place. Be cautious and aware of the potential dangers. In conclusion, the dark web is a complex and mysterious part of the internet. It's essential to exercise caution and ethical judgment when thinking about exploring this hidden world. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more intriguing content. As always, curiosity is a wonderful thing, but remember to stay safe. Thanks for watching.